This is lesson 1-4, subtracting integers. When we subtract integers in your interactive notebook, you need to have the page regarding LCC, or leave, change, change. It is a way to help us understand the fact that subtraction is also known as adding its opposite. Removing subtraction from a word problem or an expression or equation is very important when we take into consideration the different math properties that we're going to work with. In order to help us do that, we use the initials LCC, or leave, change, change. Also in your interactive notebook, you should have seen some examples about this, and we're going to use this a few times as we work in these problems. Question number 4 on page 28. It was 12 degrees Celsius when Preston got home from school. The weather report shows a storm front moving in that will drop the temperature by 17 degrees Celsius. What is the expected temperature? We know that the temperature is beginning at 12 degrees Celsius and then that it is going to drop 17 degrees. Dropped is a good subtraction word. So we have the expression 12 minus 17 in order to find the expected temperature. But let's practice changing this into an addition problem. Our subtraction signs are going to require us to make two changes. We want to leave the first number of 12, change the subtraction to an addition sign, and now change the next term into its opposite. So 17 will become negative 17. 12 minus 17 is the same as saying 12 plus negative 17. The answer to this problem is negative 5 degrees Celsius. Question number 5. Negative 67 minus something is equal to 0. In order to solve this problem, we can rely on our number sense. If I have 5, what can I subtract from it to get 0? Well, I can subtract itself. If I have 100, what can I subtract from it to get 0? Again, subtract itself. So if I have negative 67, and I need to subtract something to get 0, it would just fit the pattern and what we've already proven, that I need to subtract itself from the problem. A little proof on this might be to change it into its adding problem. I'm going to leave negative 67, change your minus to a plus, and make negative 67 its opposite. And now when I look at my adding problem, it's further proven that I'm correct, because when you add opposites together, you get 0. Question 6. On these 4, let's practice rewriting them as adding problems before we solve them. 41 minus 275. If I rewrite this as an adding problem, I will leave 41, change your subtraction to addition, and then change 275 into its negative opposite. So 41 minus 275 is the same as 41 plus negative 275. And this is equal to negative 234. Question part B. Negative 15 minus 47. Let's rewrite it as an adding problem. We're going to leave negative 15, change your subtraction to addition, and now change 47 into its opposite, negative 47. Negative 15 minus 47 is the same as negative 15 plus negative 47. And this is equal to negative 62. Part C. Negative 72 minus negative 151. Again, let's leave the first term, negative 72, change subtraction to addition, and let's change the negative 151 to a positive 151. If we can put this in the calculator or use our addition rules, and we find out our answer is positive 79. Question D. 612 minus negative 144. Let's rewrite it as an adding problem. 612 is what we're going to leave. We're going to change subtraction to addition and change negative 144 to positive 144. This answer is 756. Let's go to question 8. What is the value of the expression negative 9 minus negative 5? Our first step really does need to be changing this into an adding problem. So we're going to leave negative 9, change subtraction to addition, and now change negative 5 to its opposite of 5. If we apply our adding rules, the signs are different, so we're going to subtract our numbers. 9 minus 5 is 4. But the negative 9 has the larger absolute value, so I'm going to use the negative sign in my answer. I would like for you to now complete questions 9 through 16 in this section, pages 29 through 30, 9 through 16. And I will upload some answers in a day or two for you to check them. If you need any questions, you can meet me on our Google Meet between 2:15 and 3:15. Have a great day.